Her real name is Elia Mary Shalish and her nickname is Sniper Wolf. She was born on October 22nd, 1992. Currently in 2023, she is 22 years old. She is 5 feet 3 inches tall, weight 51 kilograms. She is YouTuber and social media star by profession. Her nationality is American and British. Her religion is Christianity. Net worth is $3 to $4 million. Number 2, his name is Machine Gun Kelly. He was born on April 22nd, 1990. Currently in 2023, he is 33 years old. He is 6 feet 3 inches tall. His weight is 76 kilograms. Years active 2006 to present. He is singer and rapper by profession. Marital status, he is married. His wife name is Megan Fox. And his nationality is American. His net worth is approximately $225 million. Thanks for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe and press bell icon for more videos.